जय जय कांग्रेस राज्य छोड़ राज्य छोड़ राज्य छोड़ राज्य छोड़ राज्य छोड़ राज्य छोड़
आंध्र प्रदेश से जो बिहार के भाई बहनों हैं जो बिहार में वोट डालने जा रहे हैं, उन सब से आंध्र प्रदेश की कांग्रेस पार्टी विनती करती है कि अब की बार जो आप वोट देने जा रहे हैं सोच समझ के दिए। 11 साल से बीजेपी पार्टी सरकार में है, लेकिन क्या बिहार में तरक्की है? क्या बिहार में रोजगार है? क्या बिहार में विकास है? राहुल गांधी जी जो अब लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं देश की प्रजा के हित में, जो वोट चोरी के खिलाफ लड़ रहे हैं, वो सिर्फ उनके लिए या सिर्फ कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए नहीं लड़ रहे हैं, हम सब के लिए लड़ रहे हैं। इसीलिए बिहार में आपकी वोट चोरी ना हो जाए, देश में किसी की वोट चोरी ना हो जाए, इसीलिए बिहार के लोग महागठबंधन को जिताना चाहिए। ये हम सबकी कर्तव्य है, हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी है। Thank you. Today in the state of Andhra Pradesh, Congress Party, on behalf of the people of this country, have taken up this fight against vote chori. Our leader Rahul Gandhi ji, after doing his Padayatra, has taken up a fight to protect the constitution, and now recently even to protect the vote chori, even to protect votes from being stolen. Therefore, Congress Party has given a call that all the states go on this signature campaign to collect signature from the public, asking for their support in its fight, in support to its fight against vote chori. Therefore, the Congress Party leaders and the cadre have, in the past 1 month, gone amongst the 175 constituencies in Andhra Pradesh, asking for their support and their signatures against vote chori, against the atrocities of BJP, against the atrocity of Election Commission of India. The state of Andhra Pradesh alone has collected 17,65,000 and odd signatures, and today we have flagged off all those signatures to go to Delhi, and Congress Party intends to hold a massive program in Delhi in the month of November, maybe towards the end of November, and to be able to present all of these to the President of India. The people of Andhra Pradesh are very much aware of the vote chori that is happening all over the country, and the people of Andhra Pradesh have supported the Congress Party and Rahul Gandhi's fight against vote chori. We are indebted, grateful to all those people who have given their support against this fight against vote chori from all over the country. Thank you.
Ma'am, Mamata Banerjee from West Bengal call said that no SIR has been implementing in Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland and Sikkim, ma'am. Manipur.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you. Thank you, Anna. Thank you.
Election Commission down. Election Commission. Narendra Modi agent. Down. Narendra Modi agent. Down. Narendra Modi agent. Down. Narendra Modi agent. Down. Let it go.
వర్ధిల్లాలి